Okay, y'all, it look like I'm going for the sampler. Oh, this is called Jam Rock Jerk right here. That's the sampler right here. Look at that, y'all. It's looking good, man. That cheese right there. American cheddar. Put it down, Zoe. Oh, this is called Jam Rock Jerk right here. Y'all know we may have to come back one day for this. I think there's a line right here, man. There's a line. You guys waiting on the food? You waiting on food? Oh, jump. Did y'all order already? No? That's Jam Rock. We're gonna come back to that, y'all. What's up, fam? We back in New York City. This your man, Matt DV. We here, man. Manhattan, across the street from Union Square Park. And I am about to go get some food, man. It's gonna be some, I ain't even gonna tell y'all where I'm going. Y'all will see when I get there. But we over here in New York again, man. Got baby boy there with me. Got baby girl back there. They all looking out for me, man, you know. So we're gonna walk down here. We are going to First Avenue and 12th Street to a place called Smack. Let's go check it out. Want water? No? Yay. All right, y'all, we're here on First Avenue and 12th Street. And that's the spot I'm going to, man, because it's called Smack. It's called Smack. Smack. Oh, wow, they got take what you need. Community refrigerator. Ah, that's pretty cool, man. Let's check it out. I'm gonna have to send it. Oh, nothing's in there. Oh, it's empty right now, y'all. It looked like a pepper was in there. Take what you need, community, John. Let's see what it is. They got seating in here. They got the pans right there. Okay, y'all, it look like I'm going for the sampler. That's the sampler right here. Don't look like it's as deep as that dish is though, you know? See how the sampler is not as deep? All right, y'all, our order's coming. Our order's coming. Thank you very much. Oh, look at that. That looks delicious, man. Okay, now 2 of them has pork, right?
Yes.
The slab bacon.
The Alpine dish is going to have bacon inside of it. And the Cajun dish is also going to have sausage.
And the Cajun, okay. Thank you very much. But this young man don't eat pork. We're going to honor him. Thank you. Thank you very much. Yes. Look at that, y'all. It's looking good, man. That cheese right there has that little burnt topping on it so far. It's looking good, man. That's gonna be very hot. Is that handle hot? Oh, they got the thing on it. Yeah, that's very hot, y'all. Hold up. Yes, hold up. Yeah, it's hot. It ain't hot. That handle's real hot.
It was 21.
It was 21 without the drinks. All right, go for it. Which one you trying, Zach?
This American cheese. American cheddar.
Put it down, Zoe. It is real steamy, y'all. See that steam coming off of there? There it is, y'all. I got that whole Smack skillet. What y'all know about a skillet? All right, I'm gonna try the tip of the pork on here. pork one is this? It's the bacon verified. That's this one here. That one right here. Sausage. This one got sausage? It don't, oh yeah, it is sausage. Let's check it out. It has like a sausage flavor. And there is sausage in here. Look at that. Oh, I like this. I like the flavor in it. And that top cheesy crust is very crunchy. I like it. I like it. So I'm going for both of the pork ones. Which other one is the pork one? This one, what is it? That's the bacon one? It's what's the first name? Ginger? Huh? The slab bacon we going for next, y'all, right there. That one right there. I just got a fork, but they've been digging and double dipping with their fork. But I'll let that go. You need a knife too, man. It has like this nice topping. Can you guys see that nice topping of cheese right there? I'm gonna get the back end this time. Let's see this, y'all. Look at that cheese. Can y'all see it from there? Got that cheesy hanging off there. All right. This one's the bacon right here. Let's go for the bacon. You didn't have the bacon. There's literally big chunks of bacon in here. Look, that is a chunk of bacon. That one is definitely for the bacon lovers. They're thick, meaty pieces of slab bacon. I love it. I'm glad we stopped here. What say you so far? Really good?
I like the cheeseburger one the best.
Zoe likes the cheeseburger one. What's that, the mushroom? Zach is eating all the cheese off the top, y'all. He probably like, you should have bought me my own. This bacon one is really good. I know some of y'all don't eat bacon, but it's not like bacon bits in here. This is real chunks of real bacon. All right, I'm gonna try some of these. Zach just pulled all the cheese off the top. And I'm gonna try the mushroom. You want some mushroom? You had some? Which one you didn't like? Zoe didn't like the mushroom. That's the mushroom right there. See how cheesy it is though? Look at that. There is a hint of sweetness, just a very small hint of sweetness. And the mushroom, I like the mushroom too, but it's a hint of sweetness, and there's some type of seasoning in there that kind of remind me of like fennel, you know? If I had to choose between that, yeah, I see what you mean too with the mushroom. It has like this taste. I don't know what that season is, but I don't want that season in my macaroni and cheese. I'm going for the cheeseburger now at Zoe's request and Zach's. It looks good. It all looks good, man. It tastes good. I'm gonna agree with Zoe that the only one I definitely wouldn't just pick the mushroom one right off the bat, knowing how it tastes now. The cheeseburger one tastes like Beefy Mac. Remember Beefy Mac? I still got some bacon left on the other one.
What's that hamburger helper?
You heard Zoe? Zoe asked me, was that hamburger helper, the Beefy Mac? Yeah, right? Did we use hamburger helper to make that? I didn't use anything. I never made it. But did our parents use that? Let me take the 4 cheeses. I'm gonna leave the top. Look at how cheesy that is, y'all. Y'all can see that, right? This is the 4 cheeses. It looks good. It tastes good. Zach likes that one, y'all. I know he likes that top piece, which is delicious. I'm gonna leave that. 4 cheeses. The 4 cheeses taste more like traditional macaroni and cheese. That's good. Manchego, fennel, onion. You gonna get some, Zoe?
Yeah.
Go ahead. I'm gonna just hold up. Let me get mine first. It is hard to get it out, y'all. There's a chunk. That looks good, man. It has some type of greeny. Look how cheesy it is and creamy. I like that one. I like this. This your man, Matt DV. If nobody told you they love you today, you're hanging with the wrong people. I love you, cats. Thanks for hanging out with me and the kids here at Smack. Here. Where we at? Right now we're on West Village. Yeah, we're on 12th Street. This is the West Village. Good stuff, man. It's good stuff. It's worth it. Bring the family. Oh, that one was a little spicy. All right. I know the kids are still hungry, but we going to more places. Okay, y'all, we just left Smack, and I thought it was delicious. I would give it an overall 9, but we got a sampler plate. Okay, Zach, he said an 8 to a 9 at first, and he said an 8. Zoe said a 7.6 for what she had. I thought it's pretty good, man. I think it's a great place to bring the family. A great place. You guys get your own plate, though. You don't have to get the sample, or you can get the sample. I thought it was pretty reasonable. We are in New York City. Now we're just walking around New York like we do, man. Might grab something else to eat, too, but we'll see. Anyway, it's your man, Matt DV. Thanks for hanging with us. That's Michael Jackson, y'all. All right, y'all, we're gonna go to this very famous noodle spot called Xiangxing. I don't know if that's how you pronounce it, but we will definitely be there, y'all. Over here off of St. Mark's. Sorry, fam, but the spot I was trying to find is actually closed. So thanks for hanging out with us, and I'll see you at the next one. Peace. A lot of pizza spots, right? This St. Mark's, y'all. Dumpling shop. Huh?
You're gonna do 2 different videos?
I don't think so. We're gonna go down here.